how to export files in CapCut. To do it, open CapCut, then look for the video that you want to edit first. Because you cannot export the videos that you have not edited. If you find your videos, please click on it and then click on open. Add it to your timeline by clicking this plus icon. After finishing your editing to export your files in CapCut, click here on this export and it is highlighted in this color. After clicking on it, here on the title you have to rename your video, or I'm going to call it turn on. Here on export to, this is where you choose where your videos will be saved. I'm going to save mine on desktop on this folder. I click on it and then I select it. After that, you click on export. It is done. Guys, this is how you can export files in CapCut. If you find this tutorial useful, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you.